I swore I would never buy a pair of Birkenstocks, mainly because every time I think about them, I picture people wearing them with socks and it just looks absolutely terrible, or you're just that coffee shop nerd. Now, believe it or not, I've kind of turned into one of those two, and it's not the guy with socks. So I finally bought a pair. I've been told over and over and over again that they are some of the most comfortable sandals. They're built with high quality in mind, and they are incredibly versatile from the beach to the patio. So here's a lookbook to show how I'm going to try and incorporate these Birkenstocks into what I would normally wear this summer season. For this outfit, think evening patios or a nice cool summer day, because you are going to be wearing a long sleeve button-up shirt. It's still going to be in a nice lightweight cotton, so it'll still be super breathable, and you're still perfectly capable of rolling up the sleeves, so that way if it does get a little warm, you're still gonna look great. If you want to make this outfit a little bit more casual, untuck the shirt. As long as it's not too long, it will be perfect. Pair it with a nice pair of chinos and you are golden. For this next outfit, picture casual weekend getaways. Yes, we are swapping our chinos pants for a pair of chino shorts, and we are swapping our long sleeve button down shirt for a more casual t-shirt. This is probably the one time where I think a t-shirt might be appropriate, because in these sandals, I don't want to look too formal if I'm just going out for a regular weekend morning coffee. For our third look, you guessed it, we're at the beach. This is actually the outfit that inspired me to get a pair of Birkenstocks, because at the beach the other day, definitely destroyed my last pair of sandals, and I needed something that would still look great, but still be functional for the beach. So I'm pairing this with a nice seersucker swimsuit and a nice lightweight camp collar shirt. It still brings up the look just a little bit, but it is perfectly casual and it is fantastic for a beach day that might transition into a nice day of patio drinks with the boys or with that special someone. As for my first impressions of these things, I actually find them incredibly comfortable right out of the box. I was told that there would be some break-in period considering it's made out of cork and it kind of has to shape to your foot, but so far I have been incredibly impressed with how comfortable these Birkenstocks actually are. But whether or not they live up to the hype, we'll see. Who knows? Right now I feel like it definitely matches the aesthetic of what I'm trying to accomplish with the way I dress and present myself in public. So now I'm curious, have you ever had an item of clothing that you just did not want to touch with a 10-foot pole, only to later realize that it's something that you wish you would have had years ago? If so, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and have an incredible rest of your day.